Hi everyone. Today's post has a list of opportunities to make extra money that is known for paying out your earnings within 24 hours or less. But before you start watching, don't forget to click on the like button while watching the video. And if this is your first time here, click on the subscribe button and ring the bell to keep getting notification whenever a new video is uploaded. There are many small side receivers I've used over the years, some even before I started this blog. I have received additional money using reward sites, answering paid surveys, and other things like that. They are mostly meaningless and certainly will not give you enough for you to quit your day job. However, some of them might be worth playing around with here and there because of how quickly they pay. And in my opinion, if you will do anything for extra money, the sooner you can get paid, the better. Because who wants to wait weeks or months for only $5 or $10? Which actually kill your enthusiasm to participate. This is how to go about it. You will need a PayPal account if you do not already have one, because that is how the majority of these sites pay their money. If you do not have one, free to register. You can transfer money from PayPal to your bank account, or you can request a PayPal debit card that works like any other debit card and use it to make a purchase with your earnings. There are also many online merchants that allow you to pay with PayPal. Most, but not all, of these sites have a cash-out threshold, which means that you must have earned a certain amount of money before you can even request any earnings you have accumulated. And now here's a list of sites that pay within 24 hours or less. 1. QME. This one is a browser extension you installed that allows you to earn money from these small ads that will appear along the sides of the different sites that you are looking at, such as Google and Amazon. Each ad is worth a small change slightly. This money can add up if you are someone who has done a lot of Googling and researching for work. 2. Paid Viewpoint. One is owned by the same people who own Instant Cash Sweepstakes, above. This is more of a survey panel and you should have $15 to cash out your earnings. They pay with PayPal within about 24 hours after you cash out, or you can choose from Amazon or Walmart gift card. 3. Postloop. This site is a little different. They pay you to post in the forum for the clients, who are trying to get people talking so that they will be more successful forums. They require that you are a native speaker of English and you must have a decent spelling, grammar. Postloop tends to get a bad rap from people in the work-at-home community. Not because they do not pay, but because it is more difficult to work for little pay. You have to write a lot, and writing is not something everyone can do easily. However, they pay within 24 hours after you cash out via PayPal, and you need $5 to cash out. 4. InstaGC. Other similar sites in exchange for rapid rewards where you can earn money doing all sorts of different things. They pay super fast. You will get the rewards you pretty much instantly if you redeem through Amazon gift code. PayPal only has a $1 minimum, but you cannot use it as an option unless you have been redeemed at least $50 in other types of rewards first. 5. MindSwarms. This is a panel survey in which you answer the questions via webcam. Those studies are worth $50 if you are accepted as a participant, and they will send it to you automatically via PayPal within 24 hours. 6. Ibotta. This is a cash-back application grocery where you can get the money to buy certain things when you go shopping. They have a lot of offers, so really easy to use it and turn it into a side earner well with regular use. That's it for today. Good luck if you choose to sign up for any of these. If you got any comment to share, kindly let me know in the comment box. Bye for now.